moves when it comes to the stock after some big beats.
Exactly. So let me first sum up what we heard from the company. Novo Nordisk actually beat expectations when it came to their revenues for the quarter, and then they also increased guidance. So now they are saying that when it comes to sales growth, they expect that to come in between 19 to 27%, and they also increased their operating profit growth expectations for the year. Now, you would expect, okay, that all sounds very positive, but then let's look at the share price performance. At the moment, we have Novo Nordisk shares moving lower by almost 3%. So what's happening here? Well, some traders look at this increase in guidance and say that it's not impressive enough. In essence, what we're looking at is that an increase of about a percentage point, and that is failing to impress some traders. Now, for bulls out there that are still very confident on this stock, they're seeing the share price reaction this morning as an opportunity to buy the stock. Because when you think about the outlook and demand for weight loss drugs, that is still very strong. And so this actually comes in line with what we heard from Eli Lilly earlier this week. They've also increased their guidance for the year, and just goes to show that the demand is indeed very strong. Just a final point to say that when we heard from the CEO speaking to our colleagues stateside in early March, he did say that the gap between supply and demand is significant, and that the company is not going to be able to fulfill that in the next couple of years. So despite price pressures, despite some conversations around litigation stateside as well, when you think about the outlook and demand for these kind of drugs, that is still very strong, and therefore it is still seen by the bulls as a way, as an opportunity to buy here, Frank.